Welcome to the 4-minute morning for today, Crypto Day, Saturday, the 7th day of April 2018. All the information presented is within your own risk, own reward for any financial actions taken. Let's get started within the Dow Jones Industrials, and volatility was back then normal and small up until the fall. Size of these green and red candles much larger. Since the original fall down to the support of 23,000, it didn't spend that much time at that lower area, and it quickly rose back up, getting above the 18 average and then supporting below it, making the symmetrical triangle of lower highs and higher lows. But it broke through on March the 22nd. It has since found support at the previous low and has consolidated, finding resistance back where support was, finding resistance at a key fib level. Now with a decent red candle on Friday, bringing it down to the 18 average of lows within this correctionary phase. The probability odds for a large further decline as we move into next week is significantly higher than most situations because of the bearish setup. That's enough with stocks. Let's move on to the to Bitcoin. And several hours ago, I did a longer analysis within the video. So if you want to, if you haven't seen that, I'm going to be talking further upon the completion of that analysis. So then let's look at this on the short-term time frame. And we'll use the 60-minute time frame. I was at a loss for words at this microscopic volatility in yesterday's session. I'm even at a greater loss for words within this bull flag pattern, which has came into play so far. For if we take a look at this more clearly, this is 8, 9, 10. This is like 12, 13 periods of this low volatile sideways reaction, market correcting through time to hit the 18 average of highs. On the 15-minute time frame, we can see how crunched in these moves are, or how small it is, just like it was in here before the green candles up. Big support. It ranges down to 68.19 to 68.35. If this area doesn't hold, or there's price action breaking below there, there could be some decent sized moves to 67, 66 relatively quick, but the same can be said about the upside. Resistance ranges many different places. It's hit from 68.90 upwards to 69.50. For the upwards resistance, I'll be looking first a little over 7,100, which would represent a 61.8% Fibonacci from this high to this low. And then breaking that, the previous high in at 7,500, which will make a double bottom formation, which starts in here. And that's just basically two U's or two V style looking formations. And when you have the big resistance break of the 7,500, I'll be looking at around 7,900 after that, and then I'll pick away at different numbers. But for now, it's going to be very important for it to hold these areas in here, because if this larger support level fails at around the 6,500, well, like I stated many times before, the next level of support would be 6,000, and it'd be very likely it would test it relatively quick. Thank you for tuning in to today's video, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.